YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do a sunset inspired eyeshadow look. So if you want to see more, keep on watching. So by using this yellow eyeshadow from my Morphe 35B palette, I'll be using this in my crease and I'll keep on adding pigment until I get the color that I like. And I'll just keep on blending that out. Now I'll use this very light orange color and I'll blend this right underneath where I blended that yellow, and I'll blend the two colors together. Now I'll use this very bright orange color from the same palette and I'll blend this right underneath my eyes. Now the more pigment you want, the more eyeshadow you have to use. So I'll keep on going in with more eyeshadow and I'll keep on blending it out until I get the color that I want. And now I'm just doing the same thing that I did on my other eye on this eye. Now just to neaten up my work, I'll go in back with some of that yellow eyeshadow and blend it in with the orange eyeshadow. I'll use this electric blue color from the same palette and I'll use this underneath my waterlines, and I'll use this as a depiction of an ocean or a lake right underneath the sunset. Now you don't have to do this step, but I'm going in with my Constance Carroll matte black eyeliner and I'm going to make a winged eyeliner on both of my eyes. I'll be using this NYX Mega Shine lip gloss and I really love this. It looks so pretty. And I'll be using some blue glitters from my Acryella eyeshadow palette in the inner corners of my eyes. I'll be using Mimosa from my beige glow kit and I'll be using this to highlight my cheeks. And finally, I'll be using this color right here to highlight my brow bones. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really liked how this turned out and I hope you guys did as well. I'm wearing my lashes from Remy hair and I also did my foundation before I did the eyeshadow look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. And also show some love to the producer of the awesome song that was playing throughout the video. Bye bye YouTube. See you guys next time.